Continuing the news now, residents of some rural St. Catherine communities say they're buckling under pressure left behind by Hurricane Melissa. Krista Campbell has their story.
Cracked and crumbling. The picture residents of several rural St. Catherine communities paint of the lands and roads around them under the firm hand of Hurricane Melissa. In Facey, Dexter Smith says his relative was thankfully not inside this board structure when it tumbled downhill.
The house was built come right to there, so, and the front was here, so. So the foundation right now, if you drop in it and it fell off of the foundation and mash up down in there, so that means to say, you might have to start over back all over again.
In Pear Tree Grove,
the side of my house is a hill. It came down with the mango tree and the guinea tree on my outside kitchen and crushed that, and the outside toilet with the washroom caved in, and a part of the goat pen came down too, so we had to rework the fencing.
In Bagby, damaged roof and other property are the least of Ramesh Headley and his grandmother's concerns. A few meters from their home, a threat made worse since Hurricane Beryl and now Melissa.
That breakaway needs to be fixed because it's right beside my house. So if it continues to break, it could just end up right beside my house and it will tear away. So a wall is needed right there immediately.
Member of Parliament for North East St. Catherine, Carencia Morrison, says she has taken note of several breakaways and action is being taken.
In the Troja community, we are looking at the possibility of removing the boulders that have blocked this passageway, thereby opening the alternative route from Old Troja through to Lodge, as the river often overflows after heavy rains, blocking the major thoroughfare that's at Troja.
And the land damage extends to farms. Farmers say they've lost most bananas and plantains in the parish, as well as livestock.
Well, if a fruit tree blow down like bedfruit tree and coconut tree and them trees sort of tree there, things that blow down and mash up. So the farming in the long term, we don't have to plant and the banana, so you know, so them they will grow back. But like all the coconut tree, them and the bedfruit tree, them and ackee, them they'll take a time. So we have a kind of short of them then now for a little time.
I have like 250 chickens. I had about 25 left back out of it. The pigs now, the goats, about 4 goats I had died and 3 kids got born in the storm. Yeah, and like the farm, bananas, cane, and so on.
Sophia Riley also operates a shop in the community of Facey and says business is suffering badly because a month after the hurricane, there's still no electricity. Toppled light posts and downed power lines across the parish tell the tale. But a Jamaica Public Service JPS team clearing a blocked section of the road in Facey sparked some hope.
Yeah, so that the generator a supply with current that we can have some pool water, put a piece of meat, 2 fish and them way there. I just charge people for it.
You know, sometimes you want to go to your bed, it's darkness, you know. You don't want to go to your bed so early. More time I will be here until certain hours I cannot be here because there's no light.
Boring. Everybody inside, nobody really come out. You know, like there, like lamp or something. But now in time to correspond and then something.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.